how you can enable WhatsApp status view so you can see who viewed your status and allow others to see yours. First step you want to do is open up Play Store or App Store and search WhatsApp. Here, make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Now, launch open WhatsApp. Then tap on these three dots and select Settings. Tap Privacy. Then toggle on the option of Read Receipts. With this enabled, you can see who viewed your status updates and others can see when you viewed theirs. If it is turned off, neither you nor your contacts will see view info. Next thing you want to do is choose who can see your updates. For that, tap on the status option. Now you can choose who can see your updates. My contacts means all saved contacts can see your status. My contacts except means it can hide from specific people, and only share with will allow it to share to selected people. So go ahead and select your preference. Now you can head over to the Updates tab. Tap on the Status tab and you'll see your contact status. Tap 1 to view. To check who viewed your own status, open your status update, then swipe up and you'll see a list of viewers. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.